period brings a grounding influence to Taurus, perfect for consolidating progress in your career. Venus supports stability and creativity, helping you refine projects rather than start new ones. Your energy levels remain steady, allowing for consistent effort without overexertion. Mid-month, Mercury's alignment enhances communication, which can help resolve workplace misunderstandings. By the full moon on June 28th, emotional clarity emerges. Use this insight to reassess personal priorities. Financial matters may surface. Stay practical. Overall, this is a time to build and strengthen foundations, both professionally and personally.